It's Monday. Happy Monday. Zumba time. Ang aking taba is malaki. I got big belly from eating. Food after Zumba is pizza. This is the pizza. Ito yung pizzang ginawa kahapon. Kasi dalawang dough yung ginawa. Ito yung pizza na frozen. Pinrosen namin kahapon. Ginawa namin ito ni Tim. Bale sa itong ay may cheese crust. Merong cheese sa loob ng crust nito. Add some more pepperoni. Come here. Did you eat all of it? Add some more here. We need more pepperonis. Where'd you put it? Oh yeah, put it. We put all the pepperoni.
There's pepperoni right here. There's pepperoni right there.
We use this old one. We're gonna get rid of the old pepperoni. Even the we put on the crust, so it's gonna be good. Magluluto pa ako ng seafoods na matagal na sa freezer yung aking seafoods. Gagawin ko yung seafoods ko na. Ayokong itapon yung nasa freezer na seafoods, kaya lulutuin ko na lang kasi sayang naman. Bawal magtapon ng pagkain. Maraming nagugutom sa Pilipinas. All over the world is lack of food. Ayan, ready to bake for... Nako, nandito pala ang aking This is my iron skillet Hot yan, iron skillet. Don't touch it, okay? For 18 minutes. Or 15 minutes lang. 18 na lang yan. You still have pepperoni or should I put it all? Do you wanna save some pepperoni or put it all?
Just save some.
Okay. Tapos ito yung mga seafood ko sa may kaunting shrimp, may kaunting mussel. Mga frozen lang to dito. Lulutuin ko siya na may garlic at butter. Wow! Maghiwa ako ng garlic dito. Tapos may butter. Bakit ba ito yung garlic ko? Masabaw. This is my food after Zumba. Wow! Ito yung mga tira-tirang nasa freezer matagal na. Mayroong tahong, may crabs, may shrimp. This is long time in my freezer. So, I cook it with Cajun seasoning. Ha, Daddy? Cajun. Is it Cajun? Si Cajun? Si Cajun ang aking seasoning. Cajun. Si Mang Jun. And I got fried eggplant. Wow! And Daddy and the boys and the girl have pizza. Wow! Pizza from yesterday. We made it homemade pizza, homemade tomato sauce, homemade everything. Kain tayo guys. May pritong talong, may mais, may seafoods. Ulala. Wow! And we have pizza from yesterday. Wow! Stuffed pizza. Ano, Daddy? Stuffed crust pizza. Stuffed crust pizza. Oo, taob ang aming kinaing seafoods na hindi siya fresh na seafoods pero ang sarap. Gawa nung corn butter at garlic. Ang harap. Taob taob. May natira pa kaming homemade pizza. Kalahating Oo, busog. Yan yung kinain namin ngayong Monday. Nagsumba muna ako Monday.